importance of chakras and how we can take care of these things, and how we can control stress, and how we can manage things. So these are very important things, and we probably, during the course of day-to-day work, we tend to forget about these things. So definitely we will share, Preeti will share some details with me, and I'm gonna share it with you all, so that you guys can refer it as and when you need. And of course, this is one of the very, very important part of our Indian tradition as well, yoga, meditation. It has been there from ages, and it's time for us to practice it, practice it even more during these tough times of COVID. And just wanted to share with you guys that Preeti has taken this wonderful initiative, and it's a complimentary thing for us, because she has been a regular faculty for us. As you all know, you all have attended her sessions from time to time. So she has been kind enough to take out some time from her busy schedule, and she came up with such a valuable information. We are really thankful to Ms. Priti Sharma, and we look forward for some more sessions in the future. And in case if you have any queries, anything you would like to understand, you can get in touch with her directly as well, as she has said in the past, and she has shared her details as well when she was here. And Preeti, as far as the feedback is concerned, I can see on the chat box there are people who are writing, a lot of positive feedback. I can see it here. So people have really liked it. Even I felt a little relaxed, and it was really a wonderful session. So thank you everyone, all the participants. Thank you so much, Preeti Madam, for giving us your valuable time. And with this, we call it a day. We end the session. If anyone has any questions, please.
Yeah, I can see they want the tapping points to be repeated. So I'll just do a quick tapping recap. So maybe you can record it, or I'll be sharing the recording with you, Abhinav. So don't worry. The recording of the entire session will be shared with you. So just with edits, because, as I'm a trainer, I would do the edit part and send you the entire video. So absolutely no issues with that. So tapping is on the crown, and you can do it right now. Since you are comfortable tapping on your crown, please do it along with me. 7 times minimum आपको tap करना है. Then is your, जो third eye, but both. So in between your eyebrows, 7 times is minimum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Upper lips. Then chin, then thymus, the collarbone, wrist, and lower side of your palm. So that's it, and thank you so much. Thank you. So we can leave the meeting now.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, once again for the participation. Thanks, Preeti. And we'll catch you once again for some more sessions in the future. Thanks a lot. Have a great evening, everyone.
Okay. ये सब problem होता है. Like, if I don't have it, I can't see the chat video now. So thankfully they agreed. Yes, it is done now.